Paragon's first canter under saddle. Maybe. Maybe. It's like my little legs can't go that fast. Come on. If you want, I can help you with the lunge whip too. See how he feels. I'll try to help you with this so he thinks he's on the lunge line. Come. Canter? 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 Good. How was he, okay? I'm trying to video and you want to try it again?
Just in the beginning, he lost his thumb.
Yep.
I got 2 good ones.
Okay. Ready?
Yep.
Go. Canter? Canter?
You can do it.
Come. Canter? Canter?
Yeah.
That was good.
Good boy.